I keep fresh watermelon in a jar and eat it all winter. I'll wash the watermelon first. I will cut the watermelon into slices. I cut the watermelon into larger pieces. I will also leave the peel so that the red part does not fall apart. Cut the watermelon into pieces like this. I will clean the watermelon from the seeds. I cleaned the watermelon, and I need a bigger jar. I thin the watermelon in a jar. I will not compress or pressurize it. Now I will prepare the dressing. I pour 1.5 liters of water into the pot. I add 5 spoons of sugar. One spoonful of salt. I put the pot on the stove and wait for the dressing to boil. The dressing has boiled, and I remove it from the stove. Now I need the juice of 2 lemons. I will separate the pulp from the lemon juice. I'll stir. I pour the dressing into a jar. The dressing must cover the watermelon. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jar with a clean lid. I need a pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. And I put the jar in the pot. I pour hot water into the pot. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I pasteurize it for 20 minutes. The water should just flow. After 20 minutes, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jar to cool gradually in the water. When the jar has cooled, center. I keep the jar in a dark and cool place until use. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.